Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. And today, we're here sa Bel Air Model House inside the Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. Ang sarap talaga dito sa umaga. Napaka-presko, tahimik, and you can hear birds chirping. So para ma-imagine mo, ganito ang vibe mo every morning pag dito ka tumira. Okay, so let's start outside. You have 2 to 4 carport. Ang laki ng carport mo. And dito meron ka na ring staff room. Ayan, this is the staff room. And you have here, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. And meron ka rin ditong service area na pwede mong gawing dirty kitchen or laundry area. And buksan natin to. This is the service stair going to the ceiling space. At may kitchen access din. So, super convenient. Mamaya pupuntahan natin yun. Now, let's go to your porch area. Since elevated ang lot na ito, paakyat tayo ha, using the stairs papunta sa porch. So, ang ganda ng feel na pagpasok mo, parang may grand entrance ka araw-araw. Wow! And here on the side, makikita mo na rin ang iyong garden area. For now, hindi pa siya naka-landscape. Pero ang laki ng potential ng space na to ha. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng outdoor dining area or fountain, or pwede ka rin maglagay ng herb garden or even a small playground. Pwede rin for your pets or kung mahilig ka sa plants. This is the perfect canvas. Pasok tayo sa living room. Very spacious and bright. Ayan, thanks to the tempered glass windows. And ang main door, this is a solid wood, no? So, giving warmth and durability. And tignan nyo ang flooring. It's a ceramic style. Very sleek, elegant, and easy to clean. Perfect for this kind of home. Okay, so here in the kitchen, meron tayong modular cabinets and with a durable granite countertop, and meron tayong stainless steel sink. Ready na to for any home cook. And connected to that is the dining area. This is open plan style. Kaya ang ganda ng flow for entertaining and for family bonding. Okay, meron ka ditong lanai space. Perfect to for morning coffee or quiet afternoon. Pwede mo rin gawin to extension ng living space for alfresco dining. And from the lanai, silipin natin ang backyard. Okay, ang laki ng space mo pa dito ha. Pwede ka maglagay ng sampayan or even a dirty kitchen or a laundry area kung gusto mong practical setup, or kompletita ka ha, perfect tong area to for vegetable garden or herb corner. And may potential din lagyan ng storage shed or place space for your kids or for your pets. So corner lot ito, so marami kang possibilities. Ang laki nito, guys. Ayun ang kapitbahay mo. And the view, like, look at that. By the way, if hindi ka pa subscriber and you enjoy house tour like this, please like and subscribe. Malaking tulong yan para sa ating channel. And syempre, shout out sa mga clients natin, kay Sir Paul and Ma'am Leslie from Canada. Mahilig siyang magmotor, kaya tamang-tama itong location na to kasi malapit lang to sa Marilake. One of the best riding roads. Now, let's check out the bedrooms. So dito, you have 4 bedrooms, all with built-in cabinet and with their own toilet and bath. So everyone in the family has their own space and privacy. Since this is a bungalow, ang saya talaga. Kasi no stairs to worry about. Everything is on one level. Okay, so bago tayo pumunta sa master's bedroom, meron ditong sliding glass door that leads directly to your private garden. So every morning, you can wake up with a view of nature. Ganda. Bathrooms have modern fixtures, glass showers and closure, and chrome finish faucets. Very clean, elegant, and low maintenance. Meron din tayong powder room near the living area. This is ideal for guests. And one more thing, meron na ring smoke detector installed dito sa bahay. Dagdag peace of mind, lalo na sa kitchen area. Safety is always a plus, especially kung may kids or elderly sa bahay. So dito, meron kang service stairs. Ito yung access ng staff mo papunta dito sa kitchen or utility area. So hindi na nila kailangan dumaan sa main entrance or sa loob ng bahay. Practical ito, lalo na kung meron kayong mga deliveries or may helper ka na naglalaba or nagluluto, may sariling daan siya na discreet. Pero very convenient, no? And concrete na rin yung hagdanan, matibay, and well-positioned, very safe and functional. Okay, so this home is located at the Perch at Highland Park in Antipolo. A peaceful and an exclusive community with swimming pool, basketball court, tennis court, mountain views, city views, at malapit lang sa mga essentials like schools, groceries, and restaurants. So again, this is the Bel Air Model House, a single-story dream home in the Perch at Highland Park, Antipolo. You have 5 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, powder room, huge, napakalaki nito, 652 square meter elevated corner lot, 234 square meter floor area, spacious garden with lanai plus backyard. Meron kang staff room, 2 to 4 carport, priced at 35 million with big cash discount, or you can pay up to 7 years para sa mga gustong mag-installment. Message me anytime if you want to schedule a viewing or know more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next house tour. This is Jen. She's as we trust in you, Mama Mary.